GlobalProtect VPN is now available to use for connecting to the SMU network from anywhere. To set up GlobalProtect, visit smu.edu/VPN, then click on the GlobalProtect button. On the page that appears, click the link to download the client for your system. More information and links to installation packages for our Linux users are available at smu.edu/VPN. Once you have downloaded the appropriate installer for your computer, you can run the installation. You may be prompted for the administrative password on your computer during this process. After the installation is complete, the GlobalProtect client should open automatically. In the GlobalProtect window, type gp-vpn.smu.edu as the portal address, then click Connect. You will then be prompted to enter your SMU ID and password and authenticate using Duo. After a few seconds, you will then be connected to the VPN. To disconnect, click on the GlobalProtect globe icon in your computer's toolbar, then click Disconnect. Mobile apps are also available for iOS and Android devices from your App Store. Just search for GlobalProtect. For more information, or if you have any questions or issues, contact the IT Help Desk at 214-768-4357 or help@smu.edu.